So I'm spending the day here at our homestead because there are countrywide demonstrations going on and I cannot reach my site. Most of the roads are blocked. And today we are trimming the hedges, and there are a lot of activities that will be going on in the homestead today since we are treating it as a holiday. The thing about living in the village is we never really feel the impact of the demonstrations going on out there. Things are so normal. We are going about our business like nothing is happening. So this hedge has moved from this to this, and there are still other hedges they are working on. Look how beautiful it is after it's done. Two of our cows have been a bit under the weather and they are not eating, like they have a loss of appetite and runny noses. So we've called in the vet to check on them and have them treated. So the diagnosis turns out to be pneumonia, and then one is under extreme stress. There's one that is very pregnant. They're going to get some jabs, and to be honest, I hate needles. I recorded this bit and edited it with my eyes closed. Don't ask me how I did that, but I can't watch a needle go through the skin. Poor thing. I hope it gets better. Are they usually punched like this? It sounds and seems gross. So hours after the jab, the calf resumed feeding. And it's now grazing, which is amazing. I wish it quick recovery. So I'm gonna head on and harvest some tomatoes, which have been lying here for some time. They are already ripe. And these are cherry tomatoes. I grew them in a container. Apparently the ones I grew in the farm didn't do well, but from the containers I've been harvesting a bit, and I'm very, very happy with the harvest. It's not so much, but from just one tree, I think I'm just okay with it. I've been wondering why the tomatoes don't do well. Apparently they wilt and die off from the garden, but I use the same soil in the containers and they grow. So if you know why this is happening, kindly let me know, but they really taste great. They also look very clean, no disease, just perfect cherry tomatoes. On this other side I have peppers, and the challenge I'm having here is fighting for this pepper with the birds. Whenever they get ripe, the birds just eat them. So I'm going to pick them before they get very ripe. There were very ripe ones yesterday, but the birds ate them. So I'll have them ripening in the house. But this is the hottest chili I have ever tasted in my life. They are very tiny, but very hot. Do you love chili? Let me know in the comments. In Kenya, most of us don't even eat chili. In other countries, people cannot eat their food without some chili in it. So wherever you come from, let me know how much chili you eat. So the birds don't really enjoy them at this stage. The very red ones that are just so ready to harvest is what they've been taking. So I'm just picking up the ones that have started to change color, and the rest of the ripening will be done indoors. I love farm life. There's always something to harvest each and every day, and we're always sure of clean organic food. So let's check out the passion fruit. I've been looking at them for a while, and they are having some weird colors on them. They're having patches, which I'm not sure if it's a disease or it's just a sign that they are getting ripe. So I'm just gonna check one to see if it's ripe. Wow, look at how yellow and juicy it is. So they're ready. I think this will be my next harvest, and it's just about to rain. That looks like a storm. That rain has given way into a very beautiful sunset. Apparently the sun came out right after the rain, and it looks so beautiful. The color is so different from the dry sun that sets on a sunny day. Look at the color of the grass. The reflection of the setting sun is so beautiful on everything. I love the rain and the aftermath of light rain. The soil smells so good. The plants look so beautiful. And what more would I ask? Jim is feeling so cold. He's really coiled himself. And I don't know why he chose to lie on the wet grass instead of just finding a perfect spot that is warm. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.